river. We've been here before, and there's a new bridge here. It's not yet finished, a new build bridge, and they are still carry on working. Maybe they stop during Christmas, holiday season, but now they are continuing it again. They're continuing their job. So one day, I think that bridge is really finished, done. Because it's quite, as what I can see, it's really close to finish. Nearly, maybe 2 months or 3 months time, it's done. So, well, what I am looking forward is, I really want to cross to this second river from the first river that we've been, because I really want to know what's on the other side of that place, because we never try to get there, because there's a river down there, and during the time that we went here, I think it's a long time ago that we've been here on this place. It's more than, I think, if I'm not wrong to count, to estimate, it's quite, I think, half a year already that we've been here. So I just tell to my partner, to my boyfriend, that, well, maybe we can go to visit the new road that we be always going, and there's a river, there's a first river and there's a second river. Wow, guys, it's quite so very hot here in the Philippines. Well, before I carry on to talk, I think I'm going down here, and I want to go right there because it's shady here, but I don't know, I'm not sure if you can see my face, but I like to sit here. Wow, it's a big drop. It's nice here. Yeah, it's quite nice here. That's the river down there, and the water is clear. So I think, I don't know if one day I want to try to go down there and to have a little swim, but I'm not sure if you can swim on the river because it's quite shallow. It's not really as deep as you can really swim in there. It's very shallow. So look at this where I am now. See, it's a big drop down there. Yeah, big drop. And that's the new bridge that they are still doing there. Carry on working, guys. They are a very hard worker people, because even though the weather is quite very hot and very sunny, they are still continue their job, because maybe they don't want their engineer or whatever to complain about what they are doing, that they're not doing well of their job. So what's here beside me is a bamboo, guys. It's a bamboo tree. And you know, there's a lot of thorn on it. You know, bamboos, it got a lot of big thorns, sharp thorns. And look at on across the road, that part, there's also bamboos in there. And then there's also some big fruit trees and sugar cane that is growing now. Yes, what I want to know is that part of that place, because I'm really curious, you know, guys, what's in there, what's that place in there, where this road going to, heading to Bacolod, heading to another barangay, heading to another town, or yeah, we cannot tell. I cannot really tell you guys, because even me, I'm curious and I'm wondering what place in that there, because every time we are chatting to someone and we are asking to someone, I mean, they cannot really tell us what we want to know to this place. Yeah, so it's you know, I'm quite curious about on that other part of that road. Yeah, my partner going down to the river in there, but yeah, I want to go down also there, because before I really want to go down there, but there's a lot of people in there. They are swimming there, and there's a lot of kids, and I don't want to include some of the people and some of the kids that might their relatives or their parents don't like them to show on the video. So just to avoid it, I don't go down to the river. But now there's not really some people that's swimming in there, so maybe I can go down in there so that I can show you the shallow river. But it's a clear water, I really, I can say. And yeah, so see you later, guys. Let's go down to the river. So that's the river, guys. Yeah, did you see? It's just shallow, and yeah, maybe it's easy for a motorcycle to pass to that shallow water, but as I heard to my partner, he said to me that our motorcycle don't got really much fuel, so we cannot really going to that another road in there, to that another place. And this is the bridge that they are still ongoing, yeah, to work. And there's some few kids, young guys that's swimming in there. Did you see? Yeah, they are there swimming on the shallow water. And there's a motorcycle here that, let's see, because you want to pass to the shallow water. So it's easy, it's quite okay, not like before, you know, guys, when we've been here before. Wow, there's a carabao here. I really don't expect it that there's a carabao here under this bridge that's swimming down there in the shallow water. And look at these two couple here. I don't know what they are doing really. I cannot really tell what they are doing here. I think they are, you know what, they are looking for fish. And what they using is electric. Yeah, from the battery. They're using electric from the battery. Yeah. So, hello. Hello, carabao. What? You are relaxing there in shallow water, in cold water of the river. Yeah, look at the guys. I'm not sure. I cannot tell you if they already catch fish in that net that the guy is holding. Yeah, he's there hiding on this big pillar of this big bridge in front of me. But he's there. Did you see? Yeah, he's using electric battery. So that's how they catch fish using electric from the battery. How about you guys? I want to know your opinion about it. Is it fine? Is it okay to use electric when you're catching fish? Just let me know, guys, in the comment section below if it's okay.
It's electric fishing.
Yeah, electric fishing. That's what my partner said. Electric fishing. Because if it's me, guys, if it's my opinion, I think it's not good to use electric fishing because you might kill also some of the young fish instead of only the big ones that you can catch. You might kill also the young ones in there, right? So for me, it's not okay. It's not good. But well, just leave them what they are doing. We cannot complain about it because for them, I think that's the easy way. So, guys, always remember, train your mind to see the good in every situation and just be patient because you will never miss out on what is meant for you as long as you're walking towards your purpose. It's a beautiful, hot, sunny day here in the Philippines, in our province, Negros Occidental. So one day, this bridge is done and we can cross over to the next place one day. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video till the very end. And I hope you guys doing well and taking care. Thank you so much to my new and old subscribers. And for those who do not yet subscribe to my YouTube channel, please guys subscribe. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you can always updated to my new vlog, to my new video. There's another motorcycle going down to the river. I'm showing you guys. It's there. Boom, 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 boom. Wow. So it's no good for a small motorcycle, for a, for a short motorcycle. It's okay for a big motorcycle. And I think an off-road or monoroad motorcycle. But for like that, it's like a scooter, it's no good. Wow, they are dark skin now, the kids, because they are in there on that river, I think, quite a while ago. And now that the sun is too strong for the skin and it burnt your skin, they're still there. Look at the bamboos, guys. You know, guys, this bridge is quite big and wide. And it's good. It's good because some big and small vehicles, they can pass because the bridge is quite wide and big for a lot of vehicles to pass. So thank you for watching, guys. Take care, God bless. See you on my next vlog. Hello there. Hello, Mr. Grumpy.
Hello there, Mr. Grumpy.
What you can say about the weather
The
today?
weather is far too hot. We need rain. Simple as
Yeah,
that.
praying for the rain, guys.
Have a
Yeah.
great day.
Subscribe to his
Take care, God
channel,
bless.
what's your channel name?
A
A foreigner in
foreigner in the province,
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye.